Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is May the 10th, 2019 on Friday. The time is at 4 a.m. GMT. Okay, so we just got a news that the US has increased the tariff rate on the Chinese goods to 25%. Because they couldn't come into an agreement with China. And so here we go, a very interesting week for the market, okay, with the indices and yen pairs especially. We are looking at the US dollar yen for today, 60-minute chart. We could see right here the move lower from this peak on April 25th has been impulsive, right? I think there should be no doubt that this move is an impulse, it's not corrective, right? And we can see in the subdivision here, we got 1, 2, right? And then this is with 3 right here, subdivided into another 5 waves with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, right? Subdivided into another 5 waves, and then you can see 5 waves here. We can see a leading diagonal here. So I think everything looks pretty nice. Now we did this nice 3 bounce and starts to turn lower again. I think the turn lower happens right after they fail to make an agreement. So you can see it's a perfect 3 swings, 100%, and then starts to turn lower. And we are looking still to see at least one more leg lower, right? At least one more leg lower in the wave 5 before finishing a 5 waves down. Now, as to how far the target is, there are many couple of different ways to measure it. One way to do it is with 1 equal to with 5. Another way to do it is 23.6 external retracement of the wave 4. And still another way to do it is 61.8 extension of the wave from wave beginning of wave 1 to wave 3. Right, so there are a couple of different ways to do it, but the bottom line is you could not try to fade the 5 waves because it can keep extending lower as much as it wants, right? So therefore, I definitely is not suggesting to buy or in any way, and we are looking for the downside in the wave 5 here, okay? And let's say if I just use one technique, which is a simple wave 1 equal wave 5, that should give us a target towards potentially towards 109. Okay, so that's kind of to give you some ideas. Doesn't mean it cannot extend lower than that. It can keep extending lower, guys, right? So it's not really for us to fade. But this one again is a 5 ways down in the US dollar yen, right? So now US dollar yen still needs to break below this 3 here, guys, because otherwise, as you know, it can always do another double zigzag, right? It can do WXY double zigzag before turning lower. So at this point, we did already have the 3 bounce, right, and reacted lower. So we've been telling our members to to sell the yen bears in 3-7-11 swing, and we got some of the yen bears in the previous analysis in the YouTube, like Aussie yen, pound yen, Canadian dollar yen, and they've been working pretty well to the downside. So this one too, 3 bounce and then starts to turn lower again. Now this one now needs to resume lower to indicate that it has started the next leg lower. Okay, otherwise we can still do double. If we do double zigzag, we're gonna find sellers again at the next equal leg, because again the structure looks incomplete as an impulse from the peak as of now. Okay, so that's the update for today. All right, and if you like for more updates or other instrument, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial. We provide the link in the description of the video. Okay, and otherwise I wish you all have a good weekend and trade safe.